Hello, Mrs. Moore here, and we are in the week before spring break. I would like you to use this week to get caught up on any assignments you don't have done. How to do that? Up here at the top, right here, it says click here for last week's assignment. If you don't know what the assignment was last week, the week before, the week before that, the week before that, you can really go back to the beginning of the year if you want, but that's where you click. So if I click this, that takes me back to last week. If I click it again, it takes me back to the week before. I want you to know that you can always know what it was you were supposed to do by clicking this link. Next, I would like you to check this list. This is a list of things you should be done with by now. Design your own shoes, cardboard challenge, llama, eraser drawing, interactive drawing, castle, and radial weaving. That's our weaving we've been doing on the paper plate. Check and make sure. Check this list. If you're not done with any of them, do it. Now, what to do if you are already done with everything. So, number one, I want you to catch up any work you didn't do. Number two, if you are caught up, you're going to be studying a famous artist. First of all, you're going to click on the famous artist button on the home page. Let's go there. Home page, scrolling down. I'm going to click on this button right here. This says famous artists. You are going to see a lot of famous artists. You're going to scroll down, find one you like, and click on it. For example, if I click on Yayoi Kusama, I'm going to see her. I'm going to see her in her studio. I'm going to read a little bit about her. Some of them have little videos you can watch about the artist. And at the bottom of most of them are galleries of their work. I'd like you to pick one that you like. So kind of cruise through, look at all of the artist's work that is there. Pick one that's your favorite. My favorite is this flower right here. I want you to get out whatever art supplies you'd like to use. That's oil pastels, chalk pastels, maybe you have colored pencils, watercolors, crayons, whatever you got, and copy it. For example, I would try to copy this flower if it was me because I really like that painting. And then when you go to post it on Padlet, I want you to write why you like it. Now, let's talk about how to do that in a way that A, uses your art words, and B, is specific, meaning you're really talking about what you like. If I was going to talk about this flower painting, I would say, I like Kusama's work in this painting because she uses lots of pattern in the background and texture. And she's using a lot of really teeny tiny circles. So she's also using shapes to make her art awesome. So you want to be specific and I want you to use your art words. Let's do an example. Back to the home page. And I'm going to be showing you another student's work. I had a student do this assignment and they did a great drawing. The artist they chose at the time was Picasso. Whoops, I just chose assignments and not gallery. What was I doing? What happens when you talk and navigate? Clicking on galleries because I'm turning my work in. Scrolling down, click on Miss C. I'm going to make myself a Padlet, which I have already done. Padlet's loading slowly. I'm going to type the artist name. So right here, you are going to make sure you type that artist name, which is Picasso in this case. Oops, not Pika, Picasso. And then I want you to write why you liked it. I've already uploaded the image that that student drew. Now, if she had written something like, "It is cool," that does not tell me why you like the artwork. I agree, artists' work are cool. Picasso's work is cool, but that doesn't tell me what you liked about it. I want you to write something that uses art words like, I like how Picasso uses shapes and color in his paintings. Sometimes, oh wait, nope. He also twists shapes to make portraits. Oh, I can't spell today. That do not look realistic, because he didn't. They were cubist, and so some of those ladies had really crazy looking faces because he was a cubist artist. So whatever it is that attracts you about that artist, whether they are using bright colors or they're using pattern, texture, line, shape, value, color, I want you to use your art words to tell me why you like their work. So saying Picasso is cool, that's what not to do. Better is, I like how Picasso uses shapes and colors in his paintings. He also twists shapes to make portraits that do not look realistic. So you can see how I have added a lot of details, and I've used art words to say specific things about the painting I was looking at. So get caught up this week, 4th grade. Enjoy researching the famous artists. If you're a person that is not caught up and you've got like 3 or 4 assignments you need to get caught up, you do not have to do the famous artist assignment. The famous artist assignment is only for those people that have everything done. Okay, I want to be really clear about that. And also, enjoy your spring break. I'll catch you after the break.